Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. And Alice, are you okay? Your eyes look a little red today.
Oh, yes, I am okay. It is just my allergies. Spring is here, and everything is blooming outside. My eyes are not happy about it.
Oh no, spring allergies are the worst. I have a friend who cannot go outside at all in April.
Same here, every year without fail. I take my medicine, but some days it is just not enough. Today is one of those days.
Oh, I'm sorry. At least you still came to do the show.
Of course, nothing can stop us. And actually, this gave me a great idea for today. Allergies are something so many people deal with, and talking about them in English, especially at restaurants or with new people, can be really tricky.
Oh, that is so true. I have a peanut allergy, and every time I go to a restaurant in the US, I get nervous. I never know how to explain it properly in English.
Well, today we're going to fix that. These phrases could actually be very important, not just useful, but sometimes necessary for your health.
Right, this is a serious topic, but we will learn it in a natural and easy way. Everyone, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Okay, let's go. So, Jake, the most basic and important phrase is, I'm allergic to blank. This is the clearest way to tell someone about your allergy.
I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to shellfish. Just put the food after I'm allergic to.
Exactly. Short, clear, and people understand immediately. In a restaurant, at a friend's house, anywhere, this is the phrase that keeps you safe.
I'm allergic to peanuts. I say this every time I order food, but I always felt a little uncertain about it in English.
Well, now you can say it with full confidence. And once you tell someone, the next natural thing to ask is, does this have blank in it?
Does this have blank in it? Like, does this dish have peanuts in it?
Exactly. You're checking the ingredients. Does this have peanuts in it? Does this have shellfish in it? Does this have dairy in it? You ask this to a waiter or a friend who is cooking for you.
Does this have peanuts in it? That is so useful. Simple question, but very important.
And most waiters in the US will check for you right away. They take allergy questions very seriously here.
Oh, good. Because sometimes I'm too nervous to ask. I just order something safe and hope for the best.
Aw, you should never have to do that. Always ask. Now, for a softer way to explain your situation, you say, I need to be careful with blank.
I need to be careful with blank. That sounds a little less serious than I'm allergic.
Right. It is good for mild allergies or sensitivities. I need to be careful with dairy. I need to be careful with gluten. It tells people to be thoughtful without alarming them.
I need to be careful with spicy food. My stomach does not agree with it.
Perfect example. It does not have to be a serious allergy. It just means, please keep this in mind for me.
I need to be careful with nuts. Very useful for all kinds of food situations.
Now, when you're looking at a menu and you want to find a safe option, you ask, is there a blank free option?
Is there a blank free option? Like, is there a peanut free option?
Exactly. Is there a gluten-free option? Is there a dairy-free option? Is there a nut-free option? In the US, many restaurants have these options and they're used to this question.
Is there a peanut free option? Oh, I've seen peanut free on menus before, but I never knew how to ask for it.
Now you do. And one last phrase for when you just want to play it safe without making a big deal of it, you say, just to be safe, I'll skip the blank.
Just to be safe, I'll skip the nuts on top.
Exactly. It's relaxed and casual. No need to explain everything. You just quietly make the choice that's best for you. Just to be safe, I'll skip the sauce. Just to be safe, I'll skip the bread.
Just to be safe, I'll skip the peanuts. I like this one. It doesn't make a big scene.
Right, sometimes you just want to handle it quietly. Okay, let's do the role play. I'm a waiter at a restaurant in New York. You're ordering. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Before I order, I'm allergic to peanuts. Is that okay?
Of course. Thank you for letting us know. I'll make sure the kitchen is aware.
Thank you. Does this pasta dish have peanuts in it?
That one does not, but the sauce has a small amount of almond. Would you like me to leave that out?
Oh, I need to be careful with nuts in general, so yes, please leave it out.
Absolutely. No problem at all. Anything else?
Actually, is there a gluten-free option for the bread?
Yes, we have gluten-free bread. I'll bring that for you.
Perfect. And just to be safe, I'll skip the dessert today. I'm not sure what's in it.
Of course, I'll bring your order right out.
Thank you so much.
That was perfect, Jake. You handled every situation so naturally. No panic, no confusion.
It felt so much easier with the right words. I always panic at restaurants when it comes to my allergy.
And now you don't have to. Okay, let's go over what we learned. But instead of repeating the exact same sentences, let's think about when you would use each one.
Good idea. I'm allergic to blank. This is the first thing I say, always, before I even order.
Yes, lead with it. It sets everything up. Then, does this have blank in it when you want to check a specific dish?
Does this have blank in it? I point at the menu and ask, simple and direct.
I need to be careful with blank when it's not a severe allergy, but you still want people to know.
Like a sensitivity or just something that doesn't agree with you. Very natural for everyday situations.
Is there a blank free option when you want to find something safe on the menu without going through every dish?
One question and the waiter finds the answer for you. Very efficient.
And just to be safe, I'll skip the blank when you just want to quietly make the safe choice without drawing attention.
Low key, no drama, just looking out for yourself. I love that phrase.
These phrases are simple, but they're important. They help you stay safe, communicate clearly, and feel confident in any food situation.
I feel like I can go to any restaurant now and handle it in English.
You absolutely can. Everyone at home, please leave a comment. Do you have any allergies? Or is there a food you are careful with? Tell us in English.
We love reading your comments, and if today's lesson helped you, please give us a like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
And share this with a friend. Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Take care, everyone, and stay safe out there.